Are you going to try to put the baby's hat on her? Where's the baby's bottle? I think the baby's bottle's right behind you. It's right there behind you, baby. It's right behind you. Right there. Right there. Grab the baby bottle. Here you go. Baby's bottle. Now you're going to feed baby. Oh, good job. Not in her eye. Not in her eye. Put it in her mouth. Put it in her mouth where it goes. Silly look. Here you go. Here. Okay, Mama's going to steal your baby. Mama's going to steal your baby. Here. Do you want to rock your baby? Here you go. Yes, you're going to swing her to sleep? Good job. Can you give your baby kisses? Give your baby a kiss. Uh-oh, baby's falling out. Uh-oh. Grab her. Uh-oh, she fell out. Can you give her a kiss so she don't cry? Give her kisses. Oh, give her a kiss. Oh. You gonna rock her? Can you put her in her stroller? Can you put her in her stroller? Put her in her stroller. No, you don't want to? I got your baby. I got your baby.